This 283 engine has some pretty carboned and discolored pistons. Today we're inspecting them and then we're going to hit them with the laser. They've already been degreased, they've already been wire wheeled with a bench wire, but we need them to be more clean, and the laser is going to do that. Sit back and watch and let me know what you think. Thank you.